Yep. Oh. Just that little tagger. Wonder if he'll come back. Yep. We're on. I think just a small little guy. But he nailed it. That's what I was after. I was in that frame of mind of, do I swap? Do I go subsurface or, you know, something to get down deep? But yeah, this little guy is right where he should be. Just got him on the McGrath surface lure, and he'd be a good solid, I don't know, maybe 48 centimeters, somewhere about there. Yeah, good way to start the day off though. Yeah, it's going to be an awesome day today. Just, yeah, I think it's going to get to a hot 30 something degrees, but it's all right. Get out early, have a bit of a surface fish before it gets too hot, have a swim, and then see how the afternoon goes. Yeah, nice little fish. Nearly had him. But yeah, nice. That's what we want to see. Let's get these hooks out. I've just got some singles at the back. Put them on much like a trout setup, really. And then a treble at the front. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice little cod. Yeah, be pushing that 50 centimeter mark. Yeah. Smashed it. Rightio, buddy. And there you go. Hells yeah. Yep. Another little guy. Let's put it underneath that snag. But yeah, nice little healthy fella. Pin him in the back hooks. just over in the shade pocket of that tree. Just get him on the lip grips. He opens his mouth. He opens his geb for a couple of seconds. There we go. An awesome little fella, probably about 30 centimeters. He came up and he smashed that McGrath surface lure. Yeah, if you can see at the back of the surface lure, just got a little bit of a different setup that I like to run. I'll just let this fella go. Yeah, nice. I'll let him go on the side that his snag is, and then he can go for a swim. And away he goes. Yeah, I'll just show you this surface lure and what I've done to it. I've left the treble up the front, as you can see, and then I've gone some oversized singles, and I've set it up just like I do with Tassies and Sting and all them wing lures for trout, just some swinging singles. So if a fish comes up and grabs it at the bite, these two open up, and then essentially it's like a double hook or a treble anyway. But yeah, just some nice big oversized hooks. I chucked them on a couple of split rings so then you could get them to lay sideways, not up and down. I haven't tried up and down to see if up and down would work, but usually on my Tassies I have them the same way as this is anyway. So, and it's been working really well for me. Just a couple of singles at the back. And yeah, I can't remember. I think they're about a 4-0. I'm pretty sure they're about a 4-0 hook. It's either a 4-0 or a 3-0 that I chucked on the back. I suppose being singles like that, I've noticed that they don't get jammed up as much as you crawl over timber if you happen to have something that's really close to the surface. And they sort of glide across. And I've been thinking about, you know, changing out the front to one single hook to see how it goes. But yeah, I just love treble so much that, you know, we've got a lot of coverage for something to stick into a fish. So I've left the treble up the front. But yeah, still on the trick. I was just sort of thinking, it's nearly 10 o'clock. And I was just thinking maybe I should start heading down a little bit lower. But yeah, like over there, it's nice and shady. And I think from now on, if I want to continue casting with surface lure around, it's going to have to be in them shade pockets, because I don't know, like what the camera's picking up, the water looks really dark, but that's just basically what's underneath in the water column sort of stuff. But it is very clear. Like as soon as you get up to some shallower water, the water's super clear. Oh, oh. That went wrong in all different kinds of ways. I was lucky to get that back then. That's what I was trying to do. We're on. Just another little fella. He hammered that. Yeah, if you can see straight up the front of there where that little shallow rapid water comes down into where that log meets, there's obviously going to be a little bit of a washout just under there from the current. And yeah, he was sitting there just waiting for something to go past. And we got him. Nice little fella. And it was just about to change colours too. No need to now. Let's get the lip grips on this fella. Probably another one sitting on, another couple sitting on this snag somewhere. They're all being roughly around that same size. But it's good to see a healthy system. Does not want to open his gob. Does not want to open his mouth. He's already done that once. He does want to do it again. Hopefully he stays on long enough. There we go. Just paddle over to a spot where I'm not going to get washed back downstream. Go. There you have him. Nice little fellow, probably be like a 41 centimetre, maybe 38, somewhere about that. But yeah, he scoffed down that McGrath in the white colour. I was trying a different colour earlier, so I just thought I'd lighten it up because the other one was a darker colour. And yeah, this one smashed it straight in that log. Just get him in the water. We'll get these hooks out. Let's let this little guy go. Yep. Oh. That was instantaneous and he got off. Oh no. Yep. Come on. I just put the changed lure and put a mega bass on. And then yeah, I skipped over the snag, and this trout, I didn't even know it was a trout cod, I thought it was a cod. But yeah, I got a big boil just straight after it. And I've gone, oh, so I had a chin weight, and I thought I'd just chuck a chin weight on there to get it to sink straight down, because I can't really cast past it to bring it back over. It did the trick. He was very hungry. So a nice little trouty for the day. Took liking to the mega bass. Loved it. Everything went really quiet, so hard bodies weren't working anymore. The spinnerbait only got that one sort of hit off it, or near hook up. So bring a couple of swim baits, and yeah, definitely done the trick. Nice trouty, beautiful. But yeah, I'll get a nice photo just of him in the water, and then we'll release him so I can go back. So yeah, nice trouty to the mix. So let's get him going. Hell yeah, and away he goes. So there you have it, guys. That's my day for today. I've got to get back home. I'd love to stay out all day, but no, I've got to get back. Got things to do. But yeah, managed to get a couple off the surface, off a McGrath surface lure, and then another one on a wide body of the McGrath lures. I also got one on a mega bass battalion, so it's the first fish I've caught off that, and yeah, it does the trick really well. Basically what I did was, it's like the battalion that I've got is a floating lure. I'll just show you, it's a floating lure, the one I've got. I just put a 1/16 or 1/6 chin weight on it, just so that I could sink it straight down at the log where the fish was sitting. Because I noticed when I got the hit the first time, I didn't have the chin weight on it, and it came right up and hit it, and like, this is like the middle of the day, but it still wanted it. It's a couple more casts, it wasn't interested, but yeah, I had a chin weight that I bought along with me, as you can see. I'll just show you nice and close. And yeah, I chucked the chin weight on it just so then I could sink it straight down at the front of the snag, because I couldn't do that long cast past to bring it down. With the floating battalions, you obviously, the longer that you retrieve them for, the deeper that they come, and then when you stop, they float back up, just like a hard body. And yeah, it did the trick. A couple of casts more into it, and then he came out and smashed it. Yeah, so it's time to say goodbye, and until next time, guys, go catch some fish.